Welcome to the Car Truth. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate travel luxury with the 2025 Prevost Luxury Motorhome, a rolling palace that redefines what it means to hit the road in style. If you ever dreamed of blending five-star living with mobile convenience, this masterpiece is for you. At first glance, the Prevost stuns with its aerodynamic body, sculpted from aircraft-grade aluminum and polished stainless steel. The sleek, reflective finish paired with LED light strips and 24-inch chrome wheels gives it a commanding presence on any highway. With automated slide-outs and an airlift suspension, this motorhome transforms into a luxury suite at the press of a button. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of contemporary elegance and smart tech. The living area boasts Italian leather, seating, a retractable 75-inch 4K smart TV, and a linear electric fireplace. High-gloss marble flooring with underfloor heating runs throughout, while ambient lighting adapts to your mood with just a voice command. Every detail is handcrafted, from the wood paneling to the brushed metal fixtures. The kitchen is a culinary dream. It features quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a full-size residential fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. You also get a smart pantry and touch-controlled faucets with water purification. The Hydradi master bedroom is equally stunning. A king-size memory foam bed sits beneath a starlight ceiling with customizable galaxy projections. There's a walk-in closet with motion sensor lighting and a 50-inch OLED TV mounted across from the bed. Privacy is never an issue, thanks to smart electrochromic glass windows that darken with a tap. The bathroom feels like a private spa. Think full-size rain shower, teak wood bench, heated towel racks, and a toilet with bidet and auto-sanitize features. Plus, you get a washer-dryer combo unit tucked into a hidden cabinet. What powers this luxury giant? A Volvo D13 engine paired with hybrid electric assist, giving smooth, quiet rides and excellent fuel efficiency for such a large machine. Solar panels on the roof charge onboard lithium-ion batteries, which power the entire living quarters off-grid with ease. There's even an integrated Wi-Fi system with 5G booster and satellite TV. Whether you're heading cross-country or living the full-time RV dream, the 2025 Prevost Luxury Motorhome delivers comfort, performance, and unmatched style. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.